Hi guys, welcome back to Chi's Kitchen. Last episode we made chocolate milkshake. So this episode we are going to make Oreo balls. And thanks for liking my last video chocolate milkshake. It was very yummy and chocolatey. If you like chocolate like me, then please try it at home. And please don't do it without an adult supervision. So are you excited? Now let's not waste our time and have some fun. Guys, before we start, please subscribe our channel, and if you like my recipes, please like the video. First we need some Oreo biscuits. Here I bought 2 packets of Oreo biscuits. Now take out the cream. Look guys, we are done taking out the cream. Now break the Oreo biscuits into pieces and transfer them into a mixie jar. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. Add 3 to 4 spoons of sugar. Grind into powder. Then add milk, get your hands in there and mix it up. Our dough is ready. Now shape the dough into small balls. Keep in fridge for 15 minutes. By the time, tell an adult to melt some chocolate with 1 teaspoon of butter in double boiler or microwave. Make sure don't do it by yourself. Our melted chocolate is ready. Take out the Oreo balls and dip it in the melted chocolate. Now I am garnishing with some white chocolate. It's very easy, just tell an adult to grate white chocolate for you. Now our Oreo balls are ready. Keep it in fridge for 3 to 4 hours. Thanks for watching. If you want some more cool recipes, then please subscribe our channel. And if you like the recipe, press the like button.